How to change currency in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are learning how you can easily change your default currency in the TokenPocket application using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the TokenPocket app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me button. Inside the Me menu, tap on Settings. Underneath the Settings page, click on Currency You Need. Choose your preferred currency from the options. Make sure that you select one and click Save at the top right. Right after you do that, your balance will now display in the selected currency in TokenPocket. This only changes display value, not your actual crypto holdings. If you don't see your local currency, choose USD for better accuracy. So that's how you easily change your default currency in the TokenPocket application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.